Ladies and gentlemen, everybody out there, it's Phil 20. And I'm back. Check it out. We've got our breakers installed. Apparently, I don't have them slid over properly. There's a gap right there. I have to slide it back together. Might be able to do it with this screwdriver here. Look at that. So now we got our breakers installed here, and all the breakers are wired up by this same box wiring diagram. If you want to see the wiring diagram, it's a MNDC 250, and this is a 64 amp breaker, this is a 100 amp breaker, and this is a 100 amp breaker. There is a good chance if this ever trips right here, I will be getting a 80 amp one. That's what I had laying around the house. So, hey, it's awesome. So, again, you've seen the solar panels, and I'm going to go outside and show you on the roof what I did yesterday. You can see my wind turbine. I got it on brake right now, so it won't spin for the moment until I get some stuff done. Now, if you take a close look, sorry, my finger is going to make it go out of focus. The top left hand side, you've got 4 rails on the left, and in the middle you got 2 rails. So that is 30 feet across and then 20 feet across. And also I need to add 15 feet across the top. You see where the top is at. 15 feet across is going to go across the top. Once I get the panels installed and wired up, then I'll know where I can put the other panels. But unfortunately, without setting it up and wiring it up, without setting it up right now and wiring up the top row, I won't be able to wire up the panels in the middle because I won't be able to get to it. So I'll wire up the 2 on the left, and the first one right there, the first one right here will go attached to the panel, one of the panels at the top, and then it'll be series. You have 2 in series and 10 in parallel. Actually 9 in parallel. Because I'm planning on putting one of the solar panels on top of the lawnmower. And if it don't work out well, then I'll just go ahead and set it up better with the lawnmower a bit different. And I'll put those other 2 panels on the far right hand side, or where that white pipe is at. So, hope you guys like this video. I'm not done with my solar array, and basically most of the whole roof will be entirely covered. I could put about 2 more panels and 4 more panels on the right, so I'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 more panels on top of the roof on this side. Plus, what if I ever wanted to put some on the shade, the porch shade awning thing? So I could put some up there if I wanted to ish. I probably won't never do it, but my breakers are going to be over on this side, left side of that window. If you see, I've got a similar disconnect as my previous disconnect. Here's the disconnect. It'll have a power shutdown switch. Here's my cable that goes to the roof. This is going to carry 60 amps. And this was a pretty good price for this cable here. I hope this is enough to go to the roof. What do you guys think? It's probably about 10 foot, 15 foot. So how it's going to run in the conduit, it's going to 90 up all the way to the roof and go through we're going to drill a hole saw right through the roof, and we're going to mount a 12 breaker disconnects box from Midnight Solar on top. That one's a 6 breaker disconnect box. It'll be a 12 breaker disconnect box. About the same height, maybe a little taller. So, it's going to be pretty nice. Well, this is Phil 20, letting you guys know what's going on. We got a bunch of wiring done today, and we got all the unistrut done. Well, most of the unistrut done yesterday. We got 15 more foot going on the top, over top of that upper area. So 15 more foot, and then you know, I can start putting the panels up now though. That's what's intended. That's why I got the wiring done inside all the way to outside, so I can put up a benchmark test here. I'll put, you know, I'll test several panels, and then my highest one I'm going to use as a general use, a benchmark, and test all the used panels that I've got. And if any of them don't work, I won't be able to put them up because, you know, they don't work. So the you know, if any of them don't work, then you know the deal. But this is Phil 20. This guy's supposed to give us a 60-day warranty. It's not been 60 days yet, and I'm gonna get this thing done way before then. See you later. Peace out.